great ideas, so I just did this. By the way, I got my braces off. Kind of ugly. Yeah, so yeah, watch me clean my room because it was a total mess. Love you. Watch it. It's kind of cool. So it's like sped up. Okay.
But yo, I came to kick it, you know. Fight dog and Tippet Ali, Shahid Jarobi, my flow be the golden ticket. So you enjoy the show, and I'll be back to visit. But now I got to spit like a spigot. Get back to business, get your hands in the air. You came to party tonight, we gon' get down, hell yeah. You have the time of your life. If you doing it right, if you doing it right, if you doing it right, if you doing it right. You got your makeup on, girl, don't hurt nobody. With the break of dawn, know you came to the party. If you doing it right, if you doing it right, if you doing it right, if you doing it right. Alright, I get the stage cracking. Should I get major backing? I do it for the people, Asian, white, black, and Latin. Whether you catch the bus or you be Cadillacing, and niggas looking for beef like cattle jacking. We got that, roger that. I'm a star at it. Ride the star back, drop back, Hail Mary. Tupacalypse in my Chevrolet Bel Air. It's in the can, Sugar Man, Leonard Shane or Ray Robinson. Well, goddamn, like Cassius Clay. What'd he say? Shook up the world, I'm a bad, bad man. For any Sonny listening, I hope Sonny's listening. I'm knocking niggas out, we don't do them split decisions. Nor do we split them pies for people who don't recognize. This is something special right before your eyes. Advise you get your hands in the air. You came to party tonight, we gon' get down, hell yeah. You have the time of your life. If you doing it right, if you doing it right, if you doing it right, if you doing it right. You got your makeup on, girl, don't hurt nobody. With the break of dawn, know you came to the party. If you doing it right, if you doing it right, if you doing it right. Shout out to the brothers chillin', and they feelin'. Hoes keep choosing, and you keep losing. You ain't doing it right, you ain't doing it right, you ain't doing it right, you ain't doing it right.
Come on.